Eddie? Let me tell him what we're doing. Alright, we're at Stoner's Dairy Farm. We go see some cows. No, I'm gonna video. No. You make it too bumpy. So this is a dairy farm and we're gonna get a little tour and see what they do here. They're hungry. Look, Charlotte. Hey, look. Do you see the Moomroos? Look at them. Look at them. Over here. Over there.
They go to the bathroom a lot. They poop and pee a lot. And so if you look on this side of the barn over here, you see how it's cleaner over there? I mean, I wouldn't want to walk in there with sneakers on, but it's cleaner on this side than it is on this side. We have this machine that comes through. This is called a scraper. It's an easy word for it. And it scrapes all the poo and pee down to the other end of the barn to get rid of it. And see how it moves so slow? That's so the cows can step over it. If it went really, really fast, that'd be great. It cleans the poo and pee up fast, but it would knock the cows over.
Yeah, you want me to hold it? It is feeding time for the cows. And that's the big tractor that's gonna take food in. You think they're hungry? Sorry.
It's what feeds the cows. Make your hands.
You wanna go up?
Smell them? See how they smell?
Sorry about it. I'm doing Charlotte's foot. What do you think, Colt? Do you like the smell of that silage? Yeah. Does it smell good? So these are all the different things that make up cow feed.
This is like a medium-sized tube.
Can you believe that's a cow
You
tube?
see these things down on the bottom that are sharp? That's not what the cow eats with. Those are the roots. That's what holds it into the cow's mouth.
You see the tube?
So it looks like that in its mouth. And then this flat, smooth part, that's what the cow has to chew with. Not much at all. Flat, smooth chew. So I'll pass it around if you want to look at it quick. Do you want to look at it? Pass it around. Don't put it in your mouth, okay? I didn't think I needed to say that, but I learned at a field trip last week that I do need to say that. Don't put it in your mouth.
Alright, we're inside the milking parlor.
So there's usually
They're milking right now.
We have one, Tiffany. She's still here doing all the work. The other guy, he got the easy job. He's going out. Sorry, we're done.
So all those cows are done
Exactly what to do. They all
being
stepped out.
milked,
And she puts the bar back down.
and those down there are waiting to be
They don't
milked.
get confused.
She's hooking them up. So she's hooking these cows up to the milkers. Look here, she's doing it here too. You see her? She's hooking it up to the udders. And then it starts to milk. See the milk coming out there, Emmy? And this weighs the milk, so they know how many pounds of milk the cow made. It's pretty cool. So we're on a little hay ride. These are where the babies go after they leave the birthing barn. Are we going on another hay ride, Charlotte?
They move up to that barn and then they're introduced.
What did we see? We saw to see a cow being born. We just stopped to get gas, and what'd you think? Was it cool? What'd you think?
I thought I was gonna get knocked out.
You didn't like all the blood. Were you scared? Was it cool though? Yeah, kind of. Did you like it? I thought it was super cool.
Me too.
And of course, I started to record and then my battery went dead, so I didn't get to catch it on camera for you guys, unfortunately, but
And comment down below
super cool.
if you ever seen a baby being born or a baby cow.
what?
Comment down below if you
Oh, okay, so comment down below if you've ever seen a baby cow being born. It is a lovely fall evening, and we are headed on a walk. Emmy's riding her bike. I'm pushing Charlotte, and Colt's walking with his play gun. And Daddy thinks it's winter.
It is winter. Thank you. You want to push her?
You need a little push? Okay, up the hill. Ready? 1, 2, 3! Go, go, go! I mean, isn't she the cutest? Like this video if you think Emmy's the cutest thing ever. You what? You need to wiggle that tooth, boy. Wiggle that tooth, I'm gonna come get it. Charlotte. Hi, baby girl. Are you on your bike? Yeah. Charlotte decided she was done and is gonna walk.
What's Daddy doing?
I don't know.
Guys, move back!
Charlotte, what do we say? 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, go! Braylon and Thunder and Daddy for dinner. We were at the farm, so we were coming from one direction, and they're at our house. And and they're coming from the house, so we're meeting here at Red Robin. Hey, don't be a grouch. Nobody likes a grouch. Ooh, you gonna make it on the maze? So, Colt, what are you having? You're not gonna tell them what you're eating? Huh?
I forgot.
No. What are you eating, Em?
Me eating cheese salad.
A cheese sandwich?
And Quincy eating corn dog with apples and
Corn dog
chocolate.
with apples? Okay, good. So Emmy's doing the maze. Did you make it through, Em?
Yep.
You made it through the maze. They got some tic-tac-toe. You can color the hamburger. Emmy, that's really good. You made it through there. Good job, girl. What are you gonna do? Color the picture? Oh, there's hidden stuff. Look, all this stuff around here is in the picture.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm just vlogging here. Everybody say hi.
Braylon and Thunder just got here with Daddy.
So now we're eating.
Alright, so Braylon says she has a magic trick to show us.
Daddy's gonna be my, what's it called?
Daddy's gonna be amazed.
No, Daddy's gonna be my come person. He's gonna rip the. Hey, Daddy, I need you to rip this straw piece into pieces quickly. Hey!
What?
Just like that.
What? It's not working? You little rascal.
Okay, that's enough.
Yep. Okay, so Daddy's tearing it into little
Daddy,
pieces.
this is called. You don't have to. This is called a magic wand.
Oh, it's magic. Ah! Whoa, that was bright. Okay, so Daddy and I have a surprise for the kids. And we've already told them that we're saying no to all of their guesses. I'm not even sure why Daddy told them it was a surprise, because you know, oh, Daddy wants to torment them because now they're gonna bug us like crazy about it. But they probably,
You can figure out a fun way to reveal it.
Me know, but me not tell you.
you don't know. They could probably guess for a million years. What are you trying to do? Eat the ketchup?
Ew!
Well, they could make guesses for a million years and wouldn't figure out what our surprise is. So.
Christmas because I'm gonna figure it out.
Yeah, it'll probably be around Christmas.
You guys
Yep.
like mine? Wait, it's
So-
not here yet.
What?
It's not here yet. Can we get another camera?
Is what not here? The surprise?
Yeah.
No. You guys are gonna have to wait along with them because
You want to know too, I'm guessing.
we can't tell the vlog people and you guys watch it and you
I
see
watch
it.
it every time you post.
So you get to be part of the surprise too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And of course they need balloons, right?
Okay,
Woo, ready? Thank you. You ready?
Oh man!
Check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Have everybody.
Woo, we got them all.
Swiper, no swiping! Swiper, no swiping! Oh man!
Thunder does that really good. You can tell Dora's always playing. All right, let's hear it.
Swiper, no swiping! Swiper, no swiping! Swiper, no swiping! Oh man!
Ready? Come on. Let's go to the... Yes. Cheese. So we're at Colton's football game. And Daddy was the master crafter this morning. And what was your idea, Thunder?
To get a D and a French.
Make a defense sign. Oh, sorry, Mom. Careful. Thunder.
Put it up.
They really need it now.
Defense.
Where's Colton?
Right there.
Where? This one, the end one?
Yep, the last one.
There's two people on the team that always go like this.
My little slowpoke.
What's the age bracket for this?
Colton's out there on the end of the line.
Come on, defense!
Get it out there a little bit more. I can't zoom in anymore. Good, Colton! So, hi everybody. It's like, I don't know, what time is it, Emmy? 7:45. And Emmy and I ran to the, well, I was gonna run to the grocery store by myself, but this little one wanted to come along. So we needed some stuff for the week, and it was a little bit of a crazy weekend. Yeah, so yeah, here's our little, you know, things we need to pack lunches and so on for the week. So we ran real quick. We're gonna get checked out. All right, we'll head down there. Usually I try to get groceries like Saturday morning, but we had a little bit of a rough weekend. My grandfather passed away, Emmy's great grandfather. We call him Old Pap, right? Where's Old Pap? In heaven, yeah. Yeah, Emmy has you have a little sty on your eye, huh? Other updates, we got the results back from the chili contest that I entered. Did Mommy win?
Yeah.
No, I didn't win.
Me
Okay, so the chili cook-off winners were 11, 9, and then they tied for first, and then second place was number 8. So there's that. I feel like there was something else I was gonna update them on. Do you remember?
No.
Oh yeah, we got our family pictures back, so I'll be sure to.
And guys, Nana got a prize for that.
We've told them we have a surprise like 20 times, so we got our family pictures back. We'll be sure to share some with you.